Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to do 4 different knotting techniques of hair ventilation. When you should go for either technique number 1, 2 or 3. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. So to enable you get the whole value, okay, catch the whole value of this video, I want you guys to stick with me to the end of this video. Do not skip any part. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to join the family, please consider subscribing and please give the video a like. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. So I have my venting pin, I have my hair, and of course I have my lace. Okay, now the first one I'm going to show you guys, like I said, I'm going to show you guys the 4 different knotting techniques and when you should use them. Okay, when it's preferable for one to make use of any of them. So this is the first one. This one is called the single knot technique. Okay, here what it means is that you just have to knot the hair once. It goes by the name, just the way the name is, single knot. Okay, yeah, we are just knotting once. Okay, you go in with your pin, grab your hair, and then you give it a knot just once, but please make sure that your knot is always tight. Now the question you may wonder is, when can I use this pattern of knotting system? For this one, you can use it when you are making your closures, your frontals, your full lace for braiding. Okay, that's when you should use this. We are making your closures, frontals, full lace for braiding, and also when you're making closures for wigging. But what will determine whether you should go for this for wigging is the texture of the hair. Okay, if the texture of the hair tends to pull out when you vent it, please do not make use of single knot for that particular hair. And that's it for the first technique. That's the single knot. I've showed you guys how to do it and also when you should use it, especially for braiding. Okay, when you're venting for braiding, go for that one. Now this second one is the double knot technique. It's similar to the first one, but difference here is that instead of knotting once, we are going to be knotting twice. Like we knot the first one without letting go, we knot the second one. Okay, if you watch closely, you see that there is no difference between my single knot and my double knot. The reason why is this, because my knots are always tight. Okay, my knots are always tight, and if you want to get a very tight knot, this is the secret, especially for beginners. When you are venting, like when you are grabbing the hair, do not move far from the pin. Like do not move up, very up to grab your hair to knot. Instead, grab it very close to where the mouth of the pin is. Like if you watch what I'm doing, I don't travel far to get my hair to knot. I just pick it very close by. That is the secret of making a very tight knot. So this single knot, you can use it when you're making your closures, your frontals, and also your full lace for wigging. Okay, not for braiding. Okay, when you want to make closures that you want to use and wig your hair, not for braided wigs, you can use this single knot. And also the texture of the hair will determine. If you find out that after using a single knot for one particular hair, either for braiding or for wigging, and you find out that the hair tends to pull, then please go for double knots. Okay, you should knot it twice. All right, so this is the single knot. Like I said, there's not much difference between my single knot and my double knot because my knots are always tight. But that's just how to do the double knot, and I've already told you guys when to use it, especially when you're making closures, frontals, full lace for wigging. When you want to wear it as wigs, not braided wig, you can equally use it for braided wigs, but the texture of the hair will determine whether you should go for that. But basically, all my braided wigs, I do use single knots because my knots are tight, the hair don't pull. Okay, now let's move over to the third one. This third knotting technique is called the single split knot. It's totally different from the first two we did. Here it involves you dividing the hair into two, split the hair into two, pick just one part of the hair and then you give it a knot. Okay, when you pick your hair, you kind of divide your hair into two. When you divide it into two, you pick one part of the divided hair and then you knot. When can I use this? You can use this when you are making your closures, your frontals, specifically for wigs. Okay, if you want to get that factory made or machine made kind of closure, this is what you should go for. I don't advise you to use this technique when you are making, maybe when you just venting a closure that you want to use and make maybe 4x4 closure braided wig. No, I don't advise you to use this technique. Just go for single knots or double knots, depending on if you are working with hair like pure human hair or you're working with attachments. But this one, this third one and the fourth one I'm going to show you guys is specifically for closures for wigging. Okay, for wigs, not for braided wig. Don't use this for braided wig. Okay, I hope you guys understand exactly what I'm trying to say here or what I'm trying to do here. Grab your hair, split it into two, pick one part of the splitted hair and then knots. Please ensure that your knots are very tight. If you followed me to this point and you know you've gotten one value or the other and you've not hit that like button, please, what are you actually waiting for? Like the video, leave a comment. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you are confused at any point or if there's something you want me to make, you don't understand and you want me to explain more about that, let me know in the comment section. And if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, so this is the third one, which is we have already done this first one, the single knot, second one double knot, third one single split. Now this fourth one is similar to the third one, but the difference here is that when we split the hair, instead of picking just one side of it and knot and then letting go, we pick one side of it knot without letting go, we pick the other side. Okay, you split the hair into two, pick one side of it and knot, don't let go, pick the second side and then knot before you can now let go. This is called this double split knotting technique of hair ventilation. Like I said earlier, you can use this specifically for your closures, your frontals. Okay, for wigging, not for braided wigs. Do not use this for braided wigs, just for wigging. The third technique and the fourth technique is specifically for wigging. If you want to make closure of frontal where you needed to use it to make your braided wig, please go for either the first one, which is single knot, or the second one, which is double knot. But for single split and double split, they are specifically for closures for wigging or frontals or fullets for wigging. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have any question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.